No guys, welcome back to my video. So okay, in this video I'm going to show you a new message appear on YouTube Studio. So what this is AI models. I'm going to explain you in this quick video. So once you are on your YouTube, head over to your logo, click over there and go to YouTube Studio, and a message will appear over here. Right now it is not. So what you have to do is go to settings. In settings, go for channel. Over here in advanced settings, scroll down until you will find this option, allow third party to train AI models using your channel content. If you want to select this, and you will have some options right over here like Amazon and Microsoft. If you want someone to use your videos for training AI, you can select. If you don't want, you can unselect this box. It is nothing more, it is your choice. So guys, a very simple video. So guys, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.